loves, in today's video I'm going to be sharing a great review on the Vivon Pearls Body Lotion. This is a lotion that I've carefully researched on from people that have used this, and also to go extra mile to give you guys some tea that you don't know about this lotion. It comes in different variants. It comes in gold, in white, and in milk. So the gold one is the immediate white, and the white container is the one that is the gluta-carotene. While the third one, the milk, is the glutatonic. So you have to be very familiar with the variant first so that you will know the work that each of these lotion do to the skin before purchasing it. So these are the three variants of this lotion. So let's talk about the immediate white, which is the one that comes in gold. One beautiful thing about this body lotion is that it contains a lot of good skincare ingredients, because when you're purchasing a product, you want to be sure that the product contains a really good skincare ingredient. And this one here contains AHA, it contains BHA, it contains glycolic acid, it contains vitamin C, it contains alpha-arbutin, as well as other good skincare ingredients. And honestly, when I was talking about a particular combo with a body lotion of recent, I was talking about lotions that exfoliate the skin. When you pair up an exfoliating body lotion with a moisturizing product, your skin is going to thank you for the rest of your life, because your skin is going to be the best it has ever been. An exfoliating lotion plus a moisturizing lotion. So this particular lotion here is an exfoliating lotion, and a good one at that, the one that will not dry out your skin, because honestly an exfoliating lotion most of the times dry out your skin because they're exfoliating your skin, they're removing dead skin cells, so you have to top it up with a moisturizer. But this particular lotion also has the ability to moisturize your skin as it is exfoliating your skin, so your skin will not dry out. But still, this lotion also needs a moisturizing lotion to pair up with it. So this lotion, you're not going to just be using it on its own. It's actually best for you to pair it up with a moisturizing lotion, and you are not going to be using this lotion every single day. Use it like 4 times in a week, possibly 4 times in a week, to get a very good result. But everyday use can dry out your skin, though I said it's also very moisturizing, but don't forget, exfoliation is exfoliation. Using it morning and evening can actually dry out your skin, but when you use it 4 times in a week, it won't dry out your skin. Instead, you're going to see glow and shine on your skin. So this lotion, despite the fact it's just an exfoliating lotion, it also brightens the skin. Naturally guys, when you use an exfoliating lotion, it has a great tendency to lighten up your skin, like really make your skin brighter. And this very one here super brightens your skin. When you're using it, you're going to notice a difference in your skin. And when you use it well, just like I've said, you make sure you pair it up with a moisturizing lotion, the way your skin is going to be looking brighter and looking yummy, you're going to love it. And another thing is that this lotion, you don't need to pair it up with other lightening lotion. So just like I said, you only pair up this lotion with a moisturizing lotion. Don't pair it up with a lightening body wash, a lightening soap, like it is not necessary. This lotion on its own is a fully active lotion, so you don't need to pair it up with a lightening soap or a lightening body wash or a lightening shower gel, like it is not necessary. Honestly, just get this lotion and a good moisturizing lotion. It can be any lotion, it can be Palmer's cocoa butter lotion, any moisturizing body lotion you can find. Just pair it up with this lotion, and this lotion is the active there that will give you that brighter, glowing, radiant skin. So if you're someone that actually aims to maintain your skin, like you already love your skin complexion, but you want a maintenance lotion, but even if you don't love your skin already, but you want something to really moisturize your skin and give you a very fine tone. When I mean fine tone, when somebody looks at your skin, they are not just looking at the complexion, they are seeing deep inside your skin. Is your skin looking healthy? Is it looking fine? This lotion is going to do that for you. It's going to make your skin tone to look very fine, and it's also going to give you that smoother skin. So now, for those of you that have keratosis pilaris, this is that lotion for you, which is strawberry skin. Or maybe you don't even have a strawberry skin, but your skin is not smooth. Even though you are exfoliating your skin is not really smooth like that. Pair up this lotion with your other exfoliating scrub that you are using and see how smooth your skin is. You cannot be using this lotion and your skin is rough, because it has the ingredient that it needs to smoothen your skin. So one thing you should not expect from this lotion is that don't expect lightening from this lotion, because I'm being honest here, don't expect to get 2 to 3 shades lighter with this lotion. It will not give you all that. What it's going to do to your skin is that it's going to maintain your skin, but it's definitely going to brighten your skin. But one thing I'm saying for sure is that it's not going to darken your skin if you use it the right way, because hope you guys know, over exfoliating your skin can make your skin dark. So when you're not using this lotion every single day, you're using it just 4 times in a week with a good moisturizer, I promise you your skin is going to look brighter, and your skin is not going to go darker. For those of you that also want to repair your skin, you have discoloration on your skin, not a damaged skin barrier, please. Just discoloration on your skin, a lot of hyperpigmentation, your skin is not having an even skin tone. You can also use this body lotion to get that even glowing skin. So this variant, honestly, I love it. The ingredient, the effect, everything about this lotion, I actually love the effect of it. So let's go to the second variant, which is the one that comes in white, and this one here is the gluta-carotene, and this one's main active is kojic acid. And kojic acid will actually give you a shade brighter, and this one comes in a high percentage of the kojic acid, because I always say this in my video, just because a product says it contains it does not mean it actually contains enough of it. So this one here has a good amount of kojic acid to brighten up your skin. And mind you guys, this one also will not take your skin to 2 to 3 shades brighter, but this one will brighten up your skin a little bit more than the one I talked about, which is the immediate white. This one will give you more brightness compared to that one. This one will not give you 2 to 3 shades lighter, because this lotion here is not a bleaching lotion or a lotion proper. It doesn't work that fast. It doesn't give you an overboard shade. It just maintains your skin gradually to that beautiful complexion and beautiful tone. It's a slow and steady lotion that gives you the best results. This one here will help to tackle your hyperpigmentation. Like this one works on hyperpigmentation super well. If you have discoloration on your skin, you have darker areas of your skin that are overly pigmented, then you need to use this lotion to blend out your skin together to have an even skin tone. So the best skin you can have is an even skin tone. Whether you are having a dark skin, a fair skin, a white skin, as long as it's even tone, that is the best thing you can actually get. So this lotion is going to help you get that. It's going to give you an even skin tone. So this particular variant here is very moisturizing. Like, it's super deeply moisturizes your skin. And for those of you that have a dull looking skin, no matter what you apply on your skin, you don't see that radiance, you don't see that brightness, you want to use this particular variant, which is the gluta-carotene. This one will deeply moisturize your skin, remove every dullness and ashiness on your skin, and give you a radiant skin. If you want to leave the shower and you still see your skin shining and radiating, then this variant is for you. So now let's talk about the third variant, which comes in milk. This one here is the Glutatonic, and this one is enriched with good skincare ingredients like shea butter, vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, and it is a very moisturizing one. This one here will also moisturize your skin. Like the one I talked about, guys, you can use that one every single day, morning and evening. Same with this very one. You can actually still use this every single day. Some people might even want to pair this last one with the first one that I talked about to get a better result, because this one is super moisturizing and it will not darken your skin. For those of you that also have a very dry skin, and those of you that have a skin that is not soft, honestly, your skin, when somebody look at your skin can look moisturized, you know, hydrated, but when they touch your skin is not soft. That's very possible. So this lotion here is one thing you should invest in if you have that type of skin. Something to soften your skin, make your skin look, especially for girls, make your skin look very feminine, very soft. Yeah, this is that particular variant you can use to get that softer, glowing, radiant skin. So it's not going to dry out your skin, it's not going to destroy your skin barrier. And for people that have a damaged skin barrier, yes, this is that variant you should use, this particular one. This one is going to help to repair your skin barrier, and this one again does not give you 2 to 3 shades lighter. This one here is just a brightening, moisturizing lotion. This particular variant, the Glutatonic, it will just brighten up your skin and moisturize your skin. So you can actually get the best result from this lotion. If you are someone that wants a good body lotion to incorporate into your skincare routine to get the best result without issues here and there, then you want to choose any of the variants of the Vivon Pearls Body Lotion. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.